Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we're going to make a quick jerk chicken recipe and cooking it in our air fryer. So let's get into these ingredients. Right here you see some fresh rosemary and thyme, some garlic, yes. And we will be using some jerk wet seasoning, jerk dry seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oh yes. And with that I will be having some fresh parsley as well. So we done chopped up our parsley, thyme, and rosemary. So I cut up the whole chicken and it's seasoned with everything I showed you. And I cleaned the chicken, of course. Alright guys, so it's marinated. We're about to put it in the air fryer and let it cook. Then I'm going to take some of the leftover jerk seasoning that I have and I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to it so I can glaze it. It's in the basket, y'all. So let's get it cooking. So I mixed up some of the barbecue sauce, sweet baby rays, and the jerk seasoning mix. Mixed it up in here and that's what we're going to put on our chicken. Yeah, baby. Let's get into it. Flipping it over. Add some more barbecue. Jerk chicken. Yes, y'all. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Later.